So today's video is going to be super duper exciting because, you know naman, Halloween is coming, Halloween season. Well, undas. Aside from remembering our lost loved ones, there's also a fun side to it, which is Halloween. And this video is going to be my entry for the Halloween. I'm not sure if I'm going to create others or more. We'll see, but this is my first one. And ang look na gagawin ko, nakita niyo man sa intro. Oh my god, I'm going to transform myself into an e-girl. So first of all, what is an e-girl? Well, kung mahilig ka sa TikTok, for sure na-experience mo na to, na-encounter mo na to. Alam mo yung parang mga girls or guys na like emo, vampy, but also beautiful and cute and like, alam mo yun, hindi nasisinaga ng araw. parang ganon. Pero it's super cool, super fun. So I'm going to try my best to transform myself into one. And at the same time, you guys, this is a collaboration video. So I'm pretty sure nakita nyo na sa start ng video, there is a parang pass the brush challenge from other content creators. So be sure to check out the other channels, you guys, the other content creators. I'm going to link all of their channels down below. So please make sure to check their videos, check their entries, and subscribe to their channel. Alright? Okay. So without further ado, let's start with the transformation. So for my primer, I'm going to use the VT Cosmetics Super Tempting Face Fixer. I'm pretty sure nakita nyo na yung video ko using this one and other products from VT Cosmetics. So for my foundation, I'm going to use itong Sun Glow by Fresh Cream Tinted Sunscreen. May magandang coverage din naman to kahit parang ano lang siya. Alam mo yung tinted sunscreen and parang one level whiter than my skin tone. So I think gagamitin ko kasi yung mga e-girls. Most of them are like, you know, pale skin tone. Kasi nga, they don't go out. Yung culture na yan yung parang, ano na yan yung parang life ng isang e-girl. They don't go out, they just stay in their room and they just connect with people through internet and they just share their life through the internet. And they're not like, alam mo yung dating nauso sa TikTok ng VSCO girls where they're full of sunshine. Atong mga e-girls, they're full of like, hindi naman darkness. Pero, alam mo yun, parang introvert-ish? I don't know. Something like that. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do, you guys, I know, parang ang puti ng mukha ko. Next I'm going to do is set my face, and I have here, this is from Perfect Diary. My god, if you haven't seen my lip swatches, no, this one right here, yung Perfect Diary Velvet Select liquid lipstick. I'm going to link it down below. You should watch that. So much fun. Ang dami nilang pinadalang liquid lipstick na ganito. You might like one or two. So anyway, this is the powder that I'm going to use. Hindi ko pa nagagamit to. This is the first time, so we're going to witness ng sabay-sabay. This is the Perfect Diary Gudetama Loose Powder Weightless Soft Velvet Blurring Loose Powder. Are you really blurring? So this is parang licensed with Sanrio. So this is part of the Sanrio collection. Is that it? Pero ang cute, no? So my puff salo. Oh my god, this is so soft. And then how do I open this? Okay. Ayan o. Also, this is, dito ako curious, you guys. I've been seeing this all over Instagram, all over Facebook, yung mga ads, itong puff na brush na pag nilagay mo daw sa water, it's like waterproof-ish. I don't know. But I'm going to use this to set my face. Teka. Hindi ako prepared doon. Wait! So this is the before, this is the after. Meron nga siyang blurring effect! Wait! Nashock ako doon, hindi ka na-expect. Oh my god! Okay! Alright! Oh my god, blurring effect. Let's go! Wow! Hindi ka na-expect. Sige, iset na natin lahat. I wanna try the puff. I'm not even sure if I'm doing the right thing, you guys. Susobrahan ko ha, kasi mag-ano ako mag-eyeshadow ako ng bonggang-bongge. So, parang meron tayong pang sweep, alam mo yan. Wow! But wow, you guys! Ang ganda niya! perfect if you use it properly, correctly, with moderation. Done. So next I'm going to do is my eyes, and eto pang isa pang, look at that. Isa pang item na hindi ko pa nagagamit. But look at that, you guys. Also from Perfect Diary, and this is their collaboration with Discovery Explorer Your World. Yes. So meron ako na isa pang palette. This one naman is the Jinli palette, also from, oh my god, Perfect Diary. It's so cute, diba? Kaya lang parang karamihan doon sa mga Perfect Diary videos na nakita ko, ito yung palette na ginamit nila. So I'm going to use this one. Alright. Okay. And it comes with a cute brush na parang magagamit ko rin naman. So for this makeup look, you guys, I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and be crazy, full glam and everything. Pero alam nyo, kung magtataka kayo, why am I doing this? Wala naman tayong Halloween party and everything. Guys, if you're bored at home and if you're like, you need to try something new, diba? You need to try to get out of your comfort zone every now and then to keep your sanity. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, so first color I'm going to use is, of course, we need to do transition shade. This one right here. It's the shade Pads and Clips Brush. Oh my god, magkilay muna pala tayo. And for my kilay, I'm going to use itong sa Skin Potions Aladdin Brow of Wonders in the shade Dark. I'm going to do my kilay na off-cam because it's the same thing over and over again. So, I'm done with the kilay. It's pretty dark because I'm going to wear a wig later na match sa eyebrows ko. So, next color I'm going to use after the transition shade is perhaps I'm going to use this shade. The yellow one, Encounter. Mustard yellow siya, guys. This is the first time nagagamit ako ng mustard yellow. Okay. Wala pa nga eh. Oh my god, guys. That shade Encounter is so nice. Actually, this palette is so nice. Wala siyang, actually wala pa ako masyado nakikitang fall out. I like this palette. Oh my god. Okay, so next shade I'm going to use Predator. Predator. So I'm going to apply that near my lash area. Actually, usual shades na ginagamit ng mga e-girls, yung mga nakita ko ha, are like pinks and reds and purple and everything. But we're gonna go with orange. And so, to give dimensions sa eyes ko, I'm going to get this shade, yung Striped. And then, I'm just going to put it dito lang sa outer. Ano nangyari ba? Parang meron naman. Next I'm going to do, guys, is the eyeliner. Because one thing that will make an e-girl makeup is the eyeliner. Like, they have bongang eyeliner, you guys. Okay. So that is what I'm going to do. A not so typical eyeliner. I'm going to put falsies para mas bongga pa yung taas. But before that, gagawin ko muna yung lower lash area codes. And for my lower lash area, I'm going to use the brush that came with this palette. So, yung much smaller. And then I'm going to use ito, Encounter again, the yellow one. Okay, so I am done with the eyes, and next I'm going to do you guys is the blush. And another thing that distinguishes mga e-girl makeup is their blushes are like over the top. Like really pigmented, putok na putok, kumbaga. And some of them love to put it here, some of them love to put like here, and then some love to blush their nosicles. And I'm going to try it. So, good luck. Tignan natin kung effect. For the blushes, since ma-orangey chok-chok-shenes tayo, I am going to use Vice Cosmetics a Cheeky Blush in the shade Perfect Peach, and the other one is Everyday Nude. Ayoko kasi super duper intense like the Perfect Peach. So, I'm going to put just a tiny bit of the Everyday Nude para ma-tone down lang a little bit. Kasi pag yung Perfect Peach lang, crazy. Okay, so let's try at the apples. Slowly but surely, you guys. What style am I gonna do? Okay, let's try lang dito sa baba. Diba? Kamukha ko na si Rudolph. The red-nosed reindeer. But before we proceed, I'm just going to quickly contour my face. For the contour, it's just the usual. Pero yung nose is medyo gagawin natin just a little bit of intense. I just tried to have a button nose and it doesn't seem to be working. That's okay. It's weird. Teka, ayusin ko lang.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so eto na yon. Tapat na to. I'm gonna move on na sa lips because anong oras na, tanghalian na day. Okay, so for the lips, ang napansin ko dun sa mga e-girls is like most of them, well, some of them full lips, yeah, liquid lipstick and everything, but most of them parang super tiny. I mean, like mas narrow yung upper lip and then like super bilog na ganon. I don't know if that's bagay to me, but I'm going to try. If not, di ulitin. So, since the Perfect Diary eyeshadow na tayo, Perfect Diary na tawag dito, setting powder, let me Perfect Diary our lips, you guys. And itong gamit ko is the V31 shade, yung Velvet Select line. Parang ang ginawa nila is something like, and then they cut it like that. And ganyan, alam mo yun. So, and then your lower lip is like full. Looks weird. Parang something to this effect. Alam mo yan, parang super high, like upper lip, yung dito sa gitna, and then ganon, and then like full lower lip. But this is basically it. guys, so the makeup is complete, the transformation is complete. Naglagay lang ako ng panora-onor dyan. And of course, meron tayong mga pa-orphan dito. Orphan the movie, do you remember that? Okay, so this is it. This is my eager look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure. Again, be sure to check out yung mga other content creators na gumawa ng e-girl Halloween inspired makeup look. I'm gonna link all of their accounts down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Ano ba tong blush na to? Ang tawag dito, sipon. New Zep blush, ganun.